Excuse the hair all over the place, but we're doing a spontaneous dog. Quiet, a doggy! Hello! Hello, princess! Go and get the car. We're here. Gonna let her off, see what she can do. There is no doggies for you to play with. Go on. Where are you going, Pepsi? Come on. Nice little walk in the woods. Can't keep up with Pepsi though. And it looks like Abby's trying to trip up. Good girl. So I fell and grabbed a tree. A tree has literally saved my life. I'm going to be one of these tree huggers. Yeah, I could have took you out and killed her, but you know, I was safe. Look. Stunning up here. Now I need to catch up with the family. We got a baby dog. Look. So many. We've had to put her on the lead because there are some sort of wild birds nesting. That's really good. Look at the big smile. Peppy! Peppy! She's smiling.